Oh, now sure, you go a long way to beat this. What a glorious spot this is on the banks of Cheat Island to watch the arrivals for the annual Cheat River Fly-In. This is a weekend of fraternising, flying and fun for a formation of backcountry, off-the-beaten airway sort of pilots amongst the flora and fauna of the West Virginian mountains. It attracts upwards of about 24 participants, most of whom bring tail dragger aircraft, even though the terrain is generally suitable for tricycle undercarriages as well. Now, whether you realise it or not, you're generally never too far away from an Egypt, but here's a complete buck Egypt. F***ing hell, look at that. Let's have a look from another angle. The Mole aircraft is regarded as the most versatile short takeoff and landing aircraft in the world by its makers. They are even cost effective to operate and repair, which is good news for this owner, as they're also easy to crash. Look at that. F***ing hell. And for good measure, do that one and in there. Well, watch again in this slow-mo replay how this buck Egypt with lackluster lookout has managed to lamp the tail of one parked plane before stoving into another stationary aeroplane before totally trashing their kite in the trees. A case of a tail-dragging knuckle dragger. Sold as seen for spares or repairs, I would imagine. And here we are on board, swooping in low on final approach over the calm waters of the Cheat River, about to touch down as smooth as silk onto the green pasture, and not like that bollocks of earlier on in the afternoon. Yes, that's how to do it. Putting the airplanes to bed, the tent's pitched. It's now time for everybody, flyers and non-flyers, yes, they come too, across on a little foot ferry or the zany ones on a zip wire, to have a great time to the sound of a banjo and a fiddle.